one of my clients who's more on the introverted side like myself, and they were really hitting a ceiling in their career because they were technically brilliant, but they were really scared about speaking during meetings, just terrified, absolutely. And they wanted to come to me to work on that confidence. And I said, if I were to start all over again, work on my communication, I would do it gradually. So for you, for this person I was speaking to, my client, I said, next meeting you have, I want you to speak once. Just one thing. And you can even prepare what you'd like to say. You know the meeting agenda. You know what's going to be discussed. Have one brilliant thing that you want people to remember you by. Next meeting, practice that again. So each meeting, say at least one thing. Then when you're comfortable, let's increase that to 2 things, maybe even 3 things down the line. Maybe the next time you can give a presentation and volunteer for it. So you're slowly expanding your comfort zone to the point, maybe I can give a talk in a conference one day. So it's really developing that courage over time through that 1% consistency and growth.